Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Today's recipe is something very easy and quickest way to cook soya chicken. Try this once and you will never forget the taste. So let me show you the ingredients first. Chicken pieces, onion, soya sauce, ginger paste, garlic paste, garam masala, fresh coriander, green chilli and water. So in the chicken we're gonna add ginger garlic paste, garam masala, which includes cloves, cinnamon and cardamom, 1 cup soya sauce, and half cup water. Mix them very well. Now add the chicken mixture in a pot and cook them in medium heat until the gravy becomes thick, and cover them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover the pot and cook chicken for some time. Meanwhile, in other pan, add some oil. Well, you can add olive oil or vegetable oil. Here I am using vegetable oil. Add 1.5 cup of onion, and fry them until the onion becomes soft and crispy at the same time. The chicken is ready. Gravy is thick now. At this time, add some green chilli and coriander, fresh coriander. Well, you can add chili as much as you can, and stir them for 2 minutes. Add the chicken and cook them for 5 to 6 minutes. Well, the main 3 ingredients of this dish is soya sauce, coriander and onion, and of course chicken. So finally, the soya chicken is ready. So now you can serve them with chapati bread or rice. But I will recommend you to serve with pulao or basmati rice. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay home, stay safe and be healthy. Goodbye.